Thank you for tuning in to Watch Sixto. My name's Sixto, and I got another watch to review from Timekeeper. This one is a Mondaine, a Swiss watch. It's original packaging. Hans Hilfiger, or Hilfiger, or however you pronounce it. I know I butchered the bejesus out of that, and I truly apologize to the gentleman. He busted his behind to create an awesome watch that is easy to service, and it's reliable. And he worked for the railway, and he created the watch that was used as the focal point of the time. So here it is in this little glory. Literally, it's a small little watch. Comparison wise, this Langa Grand Prize is probably a little bit bigger, but not by much. A case in point, but obviously this little guy, the Mondaine, is a little bit thicker. It actually looks pretty cool. It's all original. Here's the strap. It has the company stamp there, and this is on a ETA 2846, which beats at 21,600. So it's 3 hertz. I had this guy punching at when it's fully wound. I had it punching or a time graph at 25 seconds per day, which was a surprise. I was surprised that it did that, and obviously you can see the case back. It's an expedition case back, and you can see all the writing. And then you got all rights, the Mondaine watch, Ltd, Switzerland, water resistance. Then I guess this watch is a recyclable, but please don't. So yep, 100% post-consumers recyclable brass case. So that's actually pretty cool. It's a official Swiss railway watch for the train. As you can see right here, right where the heart, you can really see the little stamp. It's an ETA, and under the crystal, you can barely even see it. It's a 2A46. And this little guy, from what I was looking up, that it is shock resistant. So if your hand hits something like a door frame, hopefully you don't, but sometimes it does. This is shock resistant, so it helps absorb. And you can see the regulator where you could increase or decrease the frequency of the heartbeat, the hairspring. I don't know why I don't get tired of looking at some of these movements. I know so many of them always use the same one, NH35 series, but they're all beautiful. It's pretty cool to see actually a Swiss-made movement all in its glory. It's a 21 jewel Swiss, so that's pretty cool. Let me pan out. I'll give you the whole. Have it up right. I give you the whole measurements. Case, I measured it at a 40 millimeters. The lug width, or not the lug width. That was right here. This is the lug width. The lug to lug was 40. The case, I had it measured at a 32 with the crown 34. What was it, 10 millimeters thick, which you can see in the flat crystal. I forgot to test this to see if it was sapphire, but I'm gonna say no because they would have stamped it in the back if they had any room on the expedition or on the backside crystal. I'm gonna say they're both mineral. So it's a pull push crown. Obviously one position. There's a ghost date. Does not hack. So you rotate. Does the hand win? Yes, it does. This little guy hand went, and it the beat, or not the beat, the power reserve is a 48 hour power reserve. So you got a pretty good decent date on here, or power. And the crown is stamped with the Recyclable logo, which is pretty cool. So this is the official watch for the railway. It's a small little one. And this is what it'll look like on my 7 3/4 inch wrist. Let me pan out. It's like a silver dollar. Not even a silver dollar. It's like a nice little nickel size, or a shilling or whatever. And this box has everything in it. It has the picture of the young man that created the watch, and also the clock. What we have? Yeah, we have the design line, and it's well, back in the day, I'm gonna say the 2-year warranty has expired on this one. I want to say a big thanks to a timekeeper for actually letting me borrow these watches, which in case they're here, so I could do a review and put out watch content. Honestly, I'll still be putting out watch content, and if he didn't have lent me these watches, it would have been a little bit of a longer process. But all in all, it's a fun little hobby I like to do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You guys have a good one.